all the fish and more.
And a warm welcome to all our viewers. Manny Terrera reporting from Black Rock in Hole in the Wall. Yeah, indeed a very warm day with humidity levels of up to 87. But wow, just take a look at this gorgeous view. The ocean on an absolute best. So yeah, the surf's not really cooking at the moment on the low tide. Swells round about 1 foot. Yo, sea temperature, listen to this, 26 degrees Celsius. Never felt it this warm so far down south, eh? Yo, with a high tide at 4:07 and a low at 10:04. Okay, Sardine News viewers, please like and subscribe so we can keep you updated. Hey, for the fishermen, a couple of cod being landed on paddle tail. Otherwise, the conditions haven't really been conducive for any deep sea fishing at all. Hey? But yes, nonetheless, what a cooker of a day in the Transkei. Hey? Okay, Sean, that's a wrap from me. Back to you in the Umzimkhulu.